So we're gonna continue to see, and today we're gonna keep doing the grouping data. So first thing first, a grouping data have three very important rules, which is every data value should be in interval, and the intervals should not overlap, and then should be no gaps between the intervals. So the division, which is the results from 5 to 15 groups, is preferred, so which is you can make the 5 to 15 groups is. Um, yeah, and also let's have a look choosing the intervals and weights will be easy to rate interrupt, for example, such as 10 units or 100 units or 1,000 units, depends on the data. And then you look, for example, you can looks like these ones. So these ones and all these ones, they all preferred actually. Let's have a look at the good example, which is a discrete data with grouped. So let's have a look. 20 people were asking the record how many cups of coffee drink per each week. Okay, we can group in the first beginning with the lowest number 0 and highest number is 34. I see. Perfect. Once you find the lowest number and also the highest number, so you can know the groups in between. So I recommend is gonna be a 4 group each, so which is 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 16, 16 to 20, 20 to 24, and also 24 to 28, and 28 to 32, and 32 to 34. We can say some numbers actually are rewrite actually. So guess what? We could change to, so 0 to 4, we can change from this one to 5 to 9. So we could say no gaps in between because you're not going to drink 3.5 coffees. That's doesn't make sense. So now we can restart this to make the tables looks like. So which is, so cups of coffee per day, which is I can write 0 to 4, 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 19, and 20 to 24, 25 to 29, and 30 to 34. Perfect. And then the frequency. So which is numbers and percentage. So let's have a look. 0 to 4. How many we have? 1, 2, 3. That's it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we have 9 out of 20, which is pretty doable. Actually, sorry, it's not. It's 8 out of 20 because 5 is over 0 to 4. So which is, we can say frequency and move a little bit up here, and then that become to 8. So 8 over 20 multiplied by 100. Okay, so 5 to 9, which is, we can say orange, 1, 2, 3. That's only 3. So which is, we can say 3 or 20 times 100. And 10 to 14. So 10 to 14, we can have the blue one, 10, 1, 2. So only have 2, so which is 2. So 2 to 20 times 100. Okay, and 15 to 19. So we keep going. So that's a 15 to 19. So 1 only. So which is 1 only. And I'm gonna write again. So that's 1. So 1 or 20 times 100. You don't have to write once you calculate it. So I just want to show you how. Okay. So once we go and again, which is 20 to 24. So 1 and 2. So that's only 2. So we can go with 2. And that's 20 times 100. And 25 to 29. So which is 25 to 29. 1. That's only 1. So which means 1 and 3. So adding in total, that's 20. And that's 100%. So 3 or 20 times 100%. And 1 times 20 times 100%. All right, perfect. And there you go. Once you finish, you can calculate it. And that's a 40%. That's 15%. So we can say, and that's 10%. That's 5%. That's 10%. And that's 5%. And that's 15%. So we can say the most likely hardest one will be the 40%, which is 0 to 4. So they have 8 people drink from 0 to 4 coffees between the weeks. Okay, perfect. And here is a group continuous data, which is pretty similar. We will do this one during the class. Okay, I will see you guys next one.